Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the types of polarization. In the types of polarization, first we discuss the linear polarization. First we define the linear polarization. What is linear polarization? The electric field vector oscillate along a single direction, maintaining a constant orientation. This is called linear polarization, which is oscillate in single direction. There are three types of the oscillation, linear polarization. There are three types of linear polarization. First type is horizontal polarization. Horizontal polarization, the electric field oscillate horizontally. The electric field oscillate horizontally. Let's suppose here we take the xy plane, then light will oscillate in horizontal direction. This is called the horizontal polarization. Next we discuss the vertically polarization. In vertical polarization, the electric field oscillate vertically. In xy plane, electric field oscillate vertically. Third type is diagonally polarization. This is the electric field vector. It is represented by E. In diagonal polarization, the electric field vector make an angle theta with the x-axis. The electric field make an angle theta with the axis. This is called diagonally polarization. So here we discuss the linear polarization, and there are three types of linear polarization: horizontally polarization, vertical polarization, or diagonally polarization. Now we discuss the second type of the types of polarization, with the circular polarization. Circular polarization consists of two perpendicular wave with equal amplitude and 90-degree phase difference. In circular polarization, plane of oscillation rotates around the propagation axis. There are two types of circular polarization. First one is right hand circularly polarized light, that is right hand circularly polarized light. In the right hand circularly polarized light, the electric field vector rotate clockwise. Here we take the x and y axis. And the electric field vector that oscillate in circle in clockwise direction. They make right hand circularly polarized light and left hand circularly polarized light, that is denoted by L, left hand circularly polarized light. The electric field vector in left hand circularly polarized light move in anti-clockwise. The electric field vector rotate anti-clockwise. They are left hand circularly polarized light. Here we take the x-axis and the electric field vector that is move in anti-clockwise direction, in which electric field vector move in anti-clockwise direction. This is called the left hand circularly polarized light. That is all about the circular polarization and their two types, left hand circularly polarized light or right hand circularly polarized light. Now we discuss the third type of polarization, that is the electrical polarization. Electrical polarization consists of two perpendicular wave of unequal amplitude and 90-degree phase difference. In this electrical polarization, plane of rotation normal to the direction of propagation of wave. In this case, linear plus circular polarization make elliptical polarization. There are two types of elliptical polarization. First one is right hand elliptical polarization. In right hand elliptical polarization, the electric field vector clockwise and make the shape of ellipse. We know the shape of the ellipse, that is look like this. In this case, right hand of polarization, so in this case rotation vector move clockwise, that is the rotation vector E that make the ellipse when it moves the clockwise direction. So here we write electric field vector E rotate clockwise. Second type is left hand elliptical polarization. In this case, electric field vector E rotates anti-clockwise. In this case, they move anti-clockwise direction. So here we discuss the two types of elliptical polarization and define the elliptical polarization. Hope you like my lecture. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.